DJ Shrek just keeps on entertaining South Tyneside 2005.
Big shout out to Kimberly Seymour and Robin, the crew at Whitburn Park, and Tanata who's loving Ashley forever.